What if I told you not to open TikTok for the next 24 hours? Could you actually do it? Most people would instantly say, yeah, of course. But the moment they pick up their phone, they open TikTok without even thinking. One video, then another, and before they realize it, an entire hour is gone. But in today's video, I'm not just going to explain how TikTok makes you addicted. I'm also going to share 3 powerful psychological tricks that can help you reduce your TikTok addiction without relying on willpower. And at the end of this video, I'll give you one simple challenge that might completely change the way you use your phone. Nobody becomes addicted overnight. It always starts with just 5 minutes. One funny video, then another, then another. Every swipe gives your brain a tiny dopamine reward. Over time, your brain gets addicted to that feeling. Eventually, you're no longer looking for happiness. You're just chasing the next swipe. TikTok's algorithm watches everything you do. How long you stay on a video, what you like, what you skip, what you watch until the end. Then it keeps feeding you the exact kind of content that's hardest for you to stop watching. That's why you keep telling yourself just one more video, but somehow that one more never ends. Now listen carefully. The next time you feel like opening TikTok, don't stop yourself. Go ahead and open it, but don't sit down. Don't lie in bed. Watch it while standing up. Why? Because your brain loves comfort. When you're standing, your body naturally gets tired after a while. Within 10 to 15 minutes, most people feel like putting their phone away and sitting down. And if that still doesn't work, try the next challenge. Make one simple rule. Whenever I watch TikTok, I'll only watch it while standing. If the weather is safe and not too hot, you can even try doing it outside. Within just a few minutes, your brain will start saying, okay, I'm done, because you're no longer giving your brain maximum comfort. Over time, that habit becomes weaker and your self-control becomes stronger. Before I tell you the final message, if you enjoy this video and find it helpful, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. This is my very first video, and your support would truly mean a lot to me. Now, let me leave you with one final thought. TikTok isn't the enemy, but if you don't control it, it will control your time, your focus, and eventually your future. So starting today, make one simple rule. Want to watch TikTok? Stand up while you do it. And finally, remember this, the strongest people aren't the ones who never use social media. They're the ones who can put their phone down whenever they choose.